Our assembly mechanic program is an 8-week hybrid consisting of 4 weeks of online and 4 weeks of in-lab hands-on training. The skills that you're going to learn in this class you'll be using every day as an assembly mechanic building airplanes anywhere. In lab you'll be working 8 hours a day with a maximum of 12 students per one instructor. The projects will be ranging anywhere from 3 hours up to 3 days, including drilling, countersinking, rivet installation, and bolt installation. Some of the jobs that you could apply for using these skills would be anywhere from basic rivet installation to applying the skin to the actual outside of your airplane. The skills you learn in this class will allow you to apply up to any of the 1,500 aerospace companies that are in the Pacific Northwest, including Boeing and many others. This is a fast-track program for people with zero experience or anybody that wants to do a career change. So come on in, we'll train you up, we'll get you ready, and you'll have a foot in the door to get a nice high-paying job in the aerospace industry.